Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Yamaha Waverunner accessories currently available on the market. Whether you're looking to enhance your ride, maintain your Waverunner, or solve common issues, we've got you covered. Be sure to check the product links in the description below for more details. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, we have the Flush Hose Fitting Kit for Yamaha by Breezely. This accessory is designed to make the maintenance of your Yamaha Waverunner a breeze. With its premium build, the kit includes a high-quality brass connector and a durable EPDM rubber hose, ensuring it can withstand high pressure up to 300 psi and temperature extremes ranging from -22 Fahrenheit to 250 Fahrenheit. If you've ever struggled with flushing your Waverunner's cooling system, this kit simplifies the process with its easy-to-use design. The build quality here is impressive, with a rugged brass material that's resistant to corrosion. It comes with a 12-inch flexible hose, making it easier to access tight spaces without putting stress on your fittings. The kit also includes a ball valve, Yamaha connector, and Teflon tape, ensuring you have everything you need to get started. While the Breezely Flush Hose Fitting Kit is a solid deformer and ideal for regular maintenance, it might not be the most durable option for those who use their Waverunners in saltwater environments extensively. However, for its price point of $16.99, it offers excellent value for Yamaha Waverunner owners who want a reliable and straightforward flushing solution. Pros include its affordability, ease of use, and solid build quality, while the cons include its modest durability under extreme conditions. At number 4, we have the PWC Waverunner Sport Jet Boat Flush Fitting Kit by Prones. This kit is another fantastic choice for Yamaha Waverunner owners who want to keep their watercraft in top condition. Made from lead-free brass and a durable EPDM rubber hose, this product is both safe and long-lasting. It's designed for a variety of maintenance tasks, including winterizing sprinkler systems, outdoor pipes, and of course, Yamaha Waverunners. What sets the Prones kit apart is its flexibility. The 12-inch hose allows for easy access to tight spaces, minimizing stress on fittings, and it's compatible with standard garden hoses and compressors commonly found in North America. It's rated to handle up to 300 psi of pressure and temperatures between -22 degrees Fahrenheit and 250 degrees Fahrenheit, making it versatile for different applications. The Prones kit is priced similarly to the Breezely option at $16.99, but it stands out with its heavy-duty hose. However, it has a slightly lower customer rating, which suggests it may not be as universally reliable. The pros include its robust build, versatile compatibility, and multi-purpose design, while the cons are its slightly bulkier design and occasional fitment issues reported by users. Coming in at number 3 is the M-Matty Stop Kill Safety Lanyard. This budget-friendly option is an essential safety accessory for any Yamaha Waverunner owner, priced at just $6.99. It's a universal floating wrist lanyard that fits all Yamaha jet ski models, including Waverunner, Waveventure, and FX140. The lanyard is designed to attach to the stop switch assembly, ensuring the engine shuts off if you fall off the watercraft, a must-have for safety. The design is surprisingly durable for its price. The high-strength PU cord is connected with an aluminum alloy buckle, and the rubber-covered buckle ensures it won't hurt you if it snaps back. An added bonus is its ability to float on water, so you won't lose it if it accidentally falls off. While its low price makes it an attractive option, the M-Matty lanyard might not have the premium feel of more expensive options. However, for those on a budget, it's an unbeatable value. Pros include its affordability, floating design, and universal compatibility. The only con is that it may not feel as sturdy as higher-end lanyards under heavy use. At number 2 is the waveeater power valve clip and couplers kit for 800cc Yamaha Waverunners. This product is a lifesaver for anyone dealing with power valve issues on their Yamaha watercraft. Designed specifically for 800cc engines with the YPVS system, This kit prevents the power valve pin from sliding out of place, potentially saving you from costly engine repairs. The kit is lightweight and easy to install, requiring only a 10mm wrench. It has earned a solid reputation among users for its reliability and effectiveness, boasting a 4.7-star rating. While the price is currently unavailable, waveeater products are generally considered premium solutions for Yamaha Waverunners. The waveeater kit is ideal for those who use their 800cc waverunners extensively and want to avoid the hassle of power valve maintenance. Pros include its high reliability, easy installation, and specialized design. The only con is its niche application. This product is only suitable for specific Yamaha models. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect accessory for your Yamaha Waverunner. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.